Okay, so this video is on arithmetic series. Again, in fact, it's going to seem a lot like the last lesson that you just watched. Very, very similar. There's just one little minor difference. It won't take you very long to figure it out. So just a reminder, you know two formulas about arithmetic series at this point. You know this formula, which helps you find the sum, and you know this formula that helps you to figure out any term within the sequence. So that being said, let's try this example. All right, so it says that we're finding the sum. So let me write the sum formula up. And we'll plug in what we know. All right, so we're finding the sum of the first 32 terms. 32 over 2. In this series, okay, so I can physically see what the first term is. But what I'm missing, kind of like the last time, I'm missing the last term. Now, on the last lesson, you were given what the common difference is. And here you're not. You're just given some numbers. So you are going to have to figure out what the common difference is. So in this case, it looks like I'm adding 6, right? In both of these cases, the difference is 6. So I'm going to use this along with the other formula to figure out this missing term. All right, so I'm trying to figure out the 32nd number in the list. First term is -12. N is 32, and the common difference is 6. So -12 plus 31 times 6. And again, if you don't have a calculator out by now, highly suggest you get one. 31 times 6 plus -12 in my calculator is 174. Okay, so that means that the 32nd term is 174. So I come over here and I continue finishing out this problem. So 32, actually let me get rid of that eraser. 16 times 162 is 2,592. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so this is asking for the sum of the first 87 terms. So here's the formula. Sum of the first 87. 87 over 2. The first term I can see is 2, but what I don't know is the 87th term. So here's my other formula. And I've got a lot of stuff I can put in here, except I don't have D yet, but I will momentarily. All right, so let's see the common difference. To get from any of these numbers to the next is adding 3. All right, so A sub 87, 2 plus 86 times 3. 86 times 3 plus 2 more is 260. All right, so now I can come over here and put the 260 in and continue doing this problem. 87 divided by 2. Well, that's not right. So I've got 43.5 times 262. So the sum is 11,397. All right, now, and that's it.